All right, this is from Madhya Pradesh, where 12 ICU patients died at a government hospital in Madhya Pradesh's Shahdol, allegedly due to oxygen shortage. The dean of the hospital says that they had to supply low-pressure oxygen to patients as they were running out of it. They ordered for more medical oxygen, but the supplies reached very late. Meanwhile, the district head refuted claims of oxygen shortage, but the victims' relatives blamed the state machinery for inadequate oxygen supply.
यहाँ ऑक्सीजन ही नहीं है, जो बेसिक चीज है। दवाइयाँ तो बाद में करोगे, दवाइयाँ बाद में करोगे, ऑक्सीजन नहीं है आपके पास, क्या दवाइयाँ करेंगे? जिम्मेदार बोलते हैं, हम क्या करें? मेरे बड़े भाई थे, 38 साल के थे, रिकवर हो गए थे, ऑक्सीजन पे थे। मेरे सामने तड़प के ऑक्सीजन की मशीन बंद हो गई, कुछ नहीं आ रहा था, मेरे सामने तड़प के खत्म हुए।
सुबह लगभग 4:30 बजे मेरे पास डीन मेडिकल कॉलेज का फ़ोन आया था। उनका कहना था कि साहब जो हमारा ऑक्सीजन टैंक है उसका प्रेशर कम हो रहा है और हम बैकअप में जो हमारे पास जंबो सिलेंडर है हम उनसे व्यवस्था कर रहे हैं और हमको जंबो सिलेंडर और चाहिए होंगे। कि सुबह 8 बजे तक 6 डेथ से रिपोर्ट हुई हैं और वो 6 डेथ ऑक्सीजन की कमी के कारण नहीं हुई है, वो डेथ क्रिटिकल पेशेंट थे जिनको कोमॉर्बिड था, उनकी वजह से हुई हैं। और हमारे पास ऐसे ऑक्सीजन की कमी से कोई डेथ नहीं हुई है। ऑक्सीजन हमारे पास अभी भी सैकड़ों सिलेंडर मौजूद है और कंटिन्यूअस हमारी सप्लाई चल रही है।
वहाँ के प्रशासन का यही कहना है कि ऑक्सीजन की कमी के कारण कोई मृत्यु नहीं हुई है, फिर भी उसके जांच के आदेश दिए हैं और जो दोषी होंगे उन पर यदि कोई दोषी पाया गया तो कार्रवाई होगी और इसकी पुनरावृत्ति ना हो इसके भी समुचित व्यवस्था की गई है।
Well, those are the details coming in. This is a situation here in Madhya Pradesh where the hospital dean is saying that the hospital is running out of oxygen and that is why these deaths happened. But the district head has said that there is no shortage and these claims are false. So that is the situation at this point in time. There's of course a probe that's been ordered to try and figure out what exactly happened. But this is a difference of opinion coming in from the district administration as well as the hospital dean, who is very clearly saying that this was because of a lack of oxygen. Govind is joining us for more details. Govind, if you can take us through what we know at this point.
Absolutely. Already on the name of Corona, the uncertainty is already existed in Madhya Pradesh. And apart from this, the statements which are coming from the responsible officers, which are quite disappointing. And this is whole quite unfortunate incident took place in the Shahdol Medical College, in which a dozen COVID patients had to lose their life just because of the low pressure of oxygen. And now the statements are coming from Dean, ADM, and DM are just having the different version. Somebody is saying that it was just because of the low pressure of oxygen. Those patients had to lose their life, and now the DM is just claiming that it was the deficiency of or the issue of oxygen. Because of that, they had to lose their life. But now it's quite unfortunate, and the inquiry has been ordered by the minister. Let's see that what all the facts and figures comes out. But this is quite true that for last few weeks we have been realizing all around in Madhya Pradesh the oxygen irregularities are being used in the number of hospitals where the patients had to lost their life, and this is the fresh incident took place in Shahdol district.
All right, Govind, thank you so much for joining us with